Sanibonani ibizo umchasiseli isiminyaminye sentombi zasemzini exubeni bokhokho maya. Namhlanje ngihamba nomnumzane uNkomosi. Niyazi khona udaba olubucayi okukhulunywa ngalo udaba olusegudwini kulezi insuku kuthiwa uhulumeni ubiza izinduna angazi kuthiwa zenze njani. Nali iqhawe lapha lizosichazela ukuthi uhamba njani. Baba uNkomosi sabona.
Sanibonani, ngibingelele nalo ukuba le video njengoba sesho umfowethu uNkomosi ngempela yini lo. Njengoba ngisho ukhuluma ngodaba olusegudwini udaba mhlawumbe ngithi olombhuqazo lolubizwa ngokukhula
bathi i-Holocaust yaseZimbabwe.
ya lapho afa khona abantu. Sizwa ngathi bathi noma ngithi ngisho umongameli waseZimbabwe vela namhlanje esithi ufuna abantu laba abahlukumezeke bavele obala kuzokhulunywa ngaleyo ndaba, noma nje ingabe icace kahle ukuthi ekukhulumeni kwayo umphumela wayo kumele kube yini. Okungathi kusethusa kakhulu ukuthi laba abantu kumele bayokhuluma le nto le abavunyelwa ukuthi mhlawumbe bakhulume kulalela umphakathi.
Kumele mhlawumbe zilethiwe izizathu zokuthi kungani
yize sizidingayo esingazitholi, kodwa bona sebebiziwe phela ngabe bathi uma bebizwa nazo zalethwa, ngoba akusizi ukuthi uhambe uyongena endaweni engazi ukuthi umphumela wayo uthini. You understand? You can't come and kill people in the public, then turn around and want to say sorry private. But yonke le nto yabonwa abantu, njalo kubizwa abantu okuthiwa ngama-victims, abantu abahlukumezeka mhlawumbe bangakubeka ngaleyo ndlela. Ngibese ngiba nombuzo olandelayo ukuthi umuntu ongahlukumezekanga ngesikhathi sombhuqazo ngubani?
Okay, yeah.
Ngubani umuntu ongasukuma namhlanje hayi mina vela kumthinti lo, ngoba ongabulawanga, ongashayawanga, wavalelwa isitolo walamba, akukhona ukuhlukumezeka lo.
Wabulawa namhlanje.
Yebo, wabulawa isihlobo sakhe.
Wabatraumatized nje kubona le nto leyo abantu bechaywa phambili.
Maybe ngabonisa enye into efana, uyakwazi ukuthi even animals were affected. Uma ngabe kwakungenakudla phakathi komuzi inja yayilalidleni,
kusho ukuthi i-ground yahlasela lezi.
Uyakhumbula ukuthi kwaba khona amasosha ayehamba ngamabhizi, abantu baluza even amadonki abo because idonki lebhizi akhange
ngingakaze ngiyibheke ngaleyo nto.
So why you say ngubani ongahlukumezekanga? Njalo futhi uma sekuzofika namhlanje abantu bebizwa sokuqala ukuxoxwa nezinduna. Izinduna they're not talking to us, umphakathi.
Mhlawumbe ekubekeni izinduna bakufake kanjani ukuthi izinduna kube yizo ngokuthi abantu sebekhulunywa ngasese mhlawumbe kube kuhlela umuntu la kuhlela induna la bese kuhlala bona laba benza i-ground lapha.
Mhlawumbe kucishe kube njalo. Ake sithi laba benza i-ground according to i-list engayibona there are about 12 to 13 abantu abakhuluma bezobuza wena umbuzo uyi-1. Mhlawumbe ngenhlanhla ukuthi ungene nenduna sitshela ukuthi akungena amakhamera la, you can't take video, and uma uphuma lapho izinto okuphuma nazo lapho awuzixoki. So umbuzo wami usekutheni lana sifuna ukutholana, noma mina sokungishayisa uvalo ukuthi mhlawumbe sifuna ukuthola umuntu ole-right information yaleyo nto leyo bese senzani sesim-eliminate
ukuthi uma ungena mina ukuthi hayi lo yawumana ukuthi all-right.
I-elimination ngisho
wakhuluma into engabonayo ukuthi iyone ulobufakazi.
Then zonke izinto ezingathi ziyi-major problems ziyabe zingasekho. Uma sokungagcina kuthathwa mhlawumbe statement sokuthatha laba abantu abakhuluma izinto ezikahle kwathiwa abantu abangaka bavumile ukuthi siyaxola. So can we sweep this under the carpet now? Because abantu sebeshilo ukuthi badlala bayaxola. Kanti why do we only involve laba abantu esibabiza sithi ngama-victim? Why singa-involve umphakathi? Because
but according to you la uthi umphakathi wonke ungama-victim. So
yes,
I'm involved with everyone.
As we speak today, let's say there's one uye kuSalamkomo kuSancanyana lapha endaweni zasePhelandaba labanye. Kukhona abantwana abazalwa ngaleso sikhathi noma abazalwa before ground, but kulezo nsuku abasanda kukhona ukuthola ama-ID I know mina abantu who struggle to get ama-IDs abadlula besiya bevalelwa yiyo futhi Home Affairs yaseZimbabwe ukuthi bazalele umntwana.
Fortunate.
Yes, i-Home Affairs kuyo efoda leyo nto. So by so doing, don't you think lo muntu citizenship yakhe has been jeopardized? Azikho ezinye izinto eziyogcina engazithola umntwana wena awusini umhlali ophelele waleli. So uyabona ukuthi masizokhuluma nge-genocide sikhuluma ngendaba ebroad, hayi ngendlela abantu abafuna ukuyiletha ngayo ukuthi siyibheke ngasuthi ingaphi. It's too big, very very big.
Singakayi kodwa mnumzane Nkomosi, wena njengomnumzane Nkomosi ubufisa ukuthi namhlanje ibekwe njani le nto, ifakwe njani? Because ngicabanga ukuthi izifike khona la mhlawumbe kukhona abahlala bavumelana bathi hayi mayingathiwa bhadla emphakathini mhlawumbe kuzoba nalokhu nalokhu, bagcina befike kwisinqumo sokubona engathi okungcono ukuthi kube njalo, ukuthi mhlawumbe kube emakhosini.
Mhlawumbe le ndaba beyifuna ukuthi mhlawumbe masizokhuluma ngayo singabhekeleli ama-certain individuals, because I'm trying to run away from a situation esagcina sibona abantu ababengaqualify kuba ngama-oveti labo sebekuhole imali zama-oveti. I'm trying to run away from that.
Ukuthi mhlawumbe singagcina sesithola abanye abantu abama-victims bengasiyo.
Okunye futhi na ipoint oyibuzile ukuthi mhlawumbe mina bengithi into kumele bayenze, let's think like abantu aba-constructive. Indlela yokuthi mhlawumbe kuthiwe siyaxolisa abantu noma siyakompaseta abantu, indlela engasikompaseta kuphela singabantu ukuthi mhlawumbe kuyakho izikolo, kuyakho imigwaqo, kuyakho amaklinikhi, kuyakho izibhedlela. Sidinga futhi labantwana bakithi bebuye bezosebenza lapho kulezo zindawo lezo. Otherwise indlela engazama ukuthi sikompasete sona.
Ya ngoba nami ngeke nokuzwa abantu bethi hayi kufuneke ukompasete abantu noma mhlawumbe bephiwe okuthizeni. So ngendlela onchazele yona ukuthi wonke umuntu wasemathebeleni uyi-victim. So ubani okumele angatholi, nami ugogo wami washaya, I must get something, and ugogo already senabazukulu abangu-300, sonke so-300 we must get something because we are victim. So ngiyakuzwisisa ukuthi ukwakha izikolo nokuthi kwakha izibhedlela, at least everyone will benefit. Kodwa kunabanye abathi bona bafuna ukuphiwa i-compensation direct, like njengokuthi hayi uNkomosi wabulawa ubaba wakhe asimpheni 50,000 nobani wafela. So wena njengoba ufisa ukuthi i-compensation ibe yileyo ndlela yezikole, or nawe ukhona ufisa ukuthi ngabaphiwe imali obanxephezelwe ngendlela thizeni?
Umuntu ofile akana replacement. Njalo you can't compensate me ngomuntu oshonileyo. Mina into engiyikhalela manje ukuthi ukuze mhlawumbe siyekele ukukhuluma ngale nto, because ukukhuluma nge-ground yikusithi ground futhi, because you can't keep on reminding me ngezinto yes and doing nothing about it. Nokuthi ufike ukhiphe imali kunikezwe wena imali, mawuqeda ukunikezwe imali then what, noma imali izophela. But mawungayakho umgwaqo, mawungayakho isikole, mawungayakho iklinikhi, mawungayakho isibhedlela, kube lezinto ngezivulwa ezoba ngama-project that will help people. Because imali noma unganginika 1 million today, come tomorrow it won't be 1 million. Tomorrow angisakhulumi in 10 years time. You understand? So that's why let's get something. Unabantu laba abashonayo esibaziyo nendawo lezi abashonela kizo, let's go respect those lezi ziyakho emusha
sinokuzakha ke.
Yes, so we need to respect that. Akudingi indlela ukuthi lezo ndawo zingayakha njani. Sinamathambo amaningi namhlanje sesingayo. So as we still siba nama-problems now, it might be ama-reasons alabo bantu abaneleka, because umuntu akafuneka ukuthi wazinyona. But kukhona abantu esingabangcabanga. What are we expecting ukuthi basho lapho?
Angabuyiswa thina sinomthetho ukuthi umuntu uyashona abuyiswe, alandwe la ashone khona, ahlaliswe kahle. Sinalezo mbolelo lezo.
During i-Rhodesian War, kwakunomthetho owawuvasisiwe. If you ask abantu abasepini zomthetho ukuthi lezalo nazamakhehle ayekhona ngaleso umuntu wayengavunyelwa ukuthi edliwe zinyoni. Amagorilla bakuthi kungenzeka ehamba nomuntu adubuleke loyo muntu loyo. iyatshona bayacatsha after iviki or what time omunye comes back kulezo izakhamizi zalapho umuntu otshonelela igama lakhe lasempilweni ngubani elakhe elangempela yileli. So mabe ungcwaba lapho limngcwabeni mabe ungcwaba lapho babeyazi ukuthi umuntu ngwakuphi nobani. The reason ukuthi asihlonipheni ini umuntu kunokuthi manje lento esesiyenza ukuthi abantu laba singabahloniphanga sokubizwa abanye. Wena how would you feel namhlanje uhambe uyohlala phansi uyamukela imali yomfowenu wafayo kodwa ungamazi ukuthi wafela uyihlala uyidle leyo mali noma wena as a parent
benefit
wena as a parent today umntanakho owashona ngaleso sikhathi wena udla imali yinto efunayo wena leyo. I would suggest on this occasion Izanu must come and try to dribble people because I think seven a pressure somewhere. I-pressure leyo yona lenza ukuthi benze lezi zinto abazenza ukuthi bethathe ini abantu ukuthi abantu bavuma ngaba
ngoba kuzoba kungenziwa into ezinjalo bese sitshela ukuthi kuzoba sizotshelwa ukuthi kuphumeni mhlawumbe ekugcineni kuphume ukuthi hayi sikhulumile nabantu basemathebeleni bayi 1 million sathola ukuthi 800,000 ithi hayi into leyo kayiqolwe iphele. So kwenziwani ngathi thina siyi 200,000 esithi hayi thina siqoqo sizobulawa okuzothiwa majority rules.
Angithi vele njengoba sebishiwa makuthi 800 le ithi akuxolo but remember kule 800 le nakule 200 lokuyitsho le enjani engaxolanga. I will just keep in quiet ukuthi hayi laba asinalo kuzasebenza.
But
for example hamba kwezinye indawo zikhona ezinye indawo njengoba benzake example yaseTsholo kukhona abantu abangu-21 people abadutshulelwa endlini eyodwa 21 people indlu yatshishwa phakathi umuntu wayeyedwa lapho wayeyindoda the rest kwakuyini. So okay if when they turn around and say there was a war yayimpi njani eyiwa amasotsha nabafazi one
battalion ile hambo mama bangu 20
the worst part of it ground ile okuyidinga labo bantu ababedinga babe ngobani abantu where were they because if ever babedinga abantu sikhuluma ngabantu abamhlawumbe 129 130 ababedinga bedinga i-battalion almost 5,000 for 7 years ayibambanga noyedwa
Taba namali wecaca Mkomozi.
So why did they look for something about the Azufere elevator? Because for 7 years, it would be around not even one Disney. When you come to me and you leave the notice and the other thing is figures is in Lima as a quality. What we know very well, Tamayama background were Zanu agents. Because of this conflict, because the transitories are so intimidate the people of material. Because the whole cause of it was intimidation. You understand? Because if ever, especially Amadizan, there was in Amaka, who to Lomba, you want to have an agent. Because first of all, nobody knows Amaka. So if they knew what Dingaban, why it took them 7 years?
Anything reality, sicela ukuthi mawukhona ongakuzwisisi kahle ofisa ukubuza uyafaka kuma comments izobuya sikhulume nayo. Nhleli nomnumzana uMkomozi la indaba ayikhulumayo ukuqala mina ngimncane kakhulu bayithi ngangabi khona ngesikhathi seground okuningi ngiyajabula mangisizwa abafowethu ababekhona besenaba ngendaba ezinje ngoba isikhathi esiningi thina information esinayo ngesiyithola emabhukwini nayo lesixoxelwa ngabantu nesiphinda siyixoxelwe yibo abangapha so kuningi esingaku-understand futhi esingakwazi kahle ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi kusilandela khona mhlawumbe ongafuna ukuthi u-ede khona.
I would say I will break a trend today and agree with the panelist ukuthi ukuqala uhulumeni waseZimbabwe if ebe genuine indaba yokuground ukuthi ufuna ukuyiresolve. We've got ama reports, we've got ichihamba commission set up kwayo to look into indaba yokuground. That report wasn't made public. We have got Wabale Dumbuchena report. We spoke about indaba yokuground ukuthi wahamba njani with abantu amagama ebhaliwe nokuthi endaweni ethile kwenzakala into ethile akwenzakalanga lutho ama-results were not made public, and lezi zinto ezayenzakala kusanda kwenzakala eGugurawundi. We've got incwadi yamaroma ethiwa CCJP, Catholic Commission for Peace and Justice report, ekhuluma clearly ukuthi kulabantu ukwenzakala ebhalaka kwenzakala lokhu kwenzakala lokhu kwenzakala lokhu kwenza lokhu. And then we've got the people abanjengakumnaka who were sending these people out ukuthi hambani liyokwenza lokhu la lokhu la lokhu. And my belief ukuthi ngemva kokudeploy abantu ukuthi bayenza lokho, they also followed up ukuthi did you do what we deployed you to do, and they know ukuthi endaweni ethile sabathola ukuthi bayenza into ethile, and we followed it up sabathola ukuthi bakwenzile ukuthi. So why then would you come back 37 years later uzokuthi wena usufuna ukuzwa kuma-victims? Ugogo wami for example, mina ubaba omncane bamthwala, I was 6 years old, ngabona bemqume bamgqokisa icombat bamqume indlebe zoyi-2. That was the last time we ever saw him. That was in 1983. Azange saphinde sambona ugogo umama kababa omncane so washona. So nxa bezobuza babuza bani, because umuntu ubaba omncane akasekho, you cannot say ukuthi kwenzakala lokhu la lokhu la lokhu kimi. Ugogo owashonela umntanakhe akasekho. Ukomosi uthi yena we are all victims. Yes, we are all victims. I was traumatized by that. The only breadwinner isasilaye wanyamalala. Ama-shops kwakubulawa abantu, abelungu ababephethe ama-shops babebulawa, abantu abamnyama ababephethe ama-shops babebulawa, abantu abamnyama abemathebeleleni were working with civil service ababekhaya befundile were all being killed. So the best way to deal with this would be to revisit ama-commission reports, not only to revisit them, make them public, abantu bawafunde, and then develop imathebeleleni. Asidingi ukuthi umnanga bathina asenzele lutho, because he killed us, he killed our people, he destroyed i-progress emathebeleleni. He knows yena impact of that. Instead of coming back ezosithuluka amanxeba, he should be going there and say okay, siyakwazi ukuthi senza lokhu la lokhu la lokhu, this is how we want to appease you. And uthe mayengena wathi yena let bygones be bygones. That's the first thing ayikhulumayo. uMgabe died blaming amandebele lezapho noDabengwa for Gugurawundi. So it shows ukuthi izanu vele it doesn't care about people who have been erecting ama-tombs lama plaques eGugurawundi have been arrested, ama-plaques lawo have been bombed. People who try to go Owen Maseko wabotshwa for drawing izinto ezenzakala eGugurawundi. Ungahamba uyekhaya ufuna ukukhuluma eGugurawundi uyabotshwa. We saw abafowethu be-MRP, although I don't agree with them ukuthi bahamba bathulisa abantu, but going back now you realize ukuthi why then 37 years later does the perpetrator say khuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani yena esazi ukuthi wathuma abantu ukuthi bayokwenzani? Yeah, mina ngayitshiya.
Mnumzane, uyamuzwa uNcube, namhlanje ngiyaqala ukuzwa vumelana nawe in public. Ungathi kulokho obekwenaba uNcube.
Uyazi ukhulume izinto ezinzima kulezinye bengazi ebese ngizikhohlwa. Things that were said by Mndana, things that were said by Mnangagwa. Then just all of a sudden sokuyibo sokufuna ukushintsha. Beqhamuke ngazo sebe right.
Abasahlali, we were told it was a moment of madness.
Then all of a sudden so a moment of what now?
Same.
Yeah. So they really telling us who was mad at the time. You understand? Because into everything to see now, when we talk about the ground, do you know that Joshua Momo died a very bad death because of the ground?
Yeah, that's true.
So why didn't they buy years and SAP Lumbo? Why does we use now? Because as we as the SAP Lumbo speed and this man, who nabantu abacabanga kanje abathunkomo bathengisa. Because during that time yonke into lalizwa ngabo lalingayizwa ngonkomo,
especially thina sasingazi.
Yes, but uyabona abantu ababekhona ngaleso sikhathi they were told by imedia, and the media that was captured by ZANU yephinde itshela ukuthi inkomo baphikile labamntana bazi. You understand? And if that was true, inkomo baphikile, I want you to understand this. Why inkomo baphikile? Because we really didn't know them. Because if they have ama-disease amaningi okuyizanu fracture.
Why not?
You understand? So into if ever they wanted to change the whole complexion of they should have done it with Esaphilingo. Nkomo was the person who made a pendulum, because Nkomo, he was always economy keep and Nkomo complain about the people dying. And I can't even walk in Machalan. Each time I try to speak to people in Machalan, they hide. That's what I'm saying to you. Again, as we speak right now, people will have just changed the formation. You understand? You can't come don't you think someone you celebrating which you once killed?
Once
Killed. This is what they celebrated. You understand? So, you were told to put a count. In the when I was at home, but I'm a victim of so which means that there was a type of figure. If ever I want to figure was to die, to figure out this will count now you're coming from Jomosina, you're coming from 3 different areas.
it's about figure. Ground account.
Yes. You understand? And we've got people they try to get but they are with the perpetrator as we speak.
He was a child. He was in his 20s.
He was a zebra guerrilla. Then they followed him and killed him. Long division. We've got people about South Africa as we speak that they're not going to go back home. So they are victims, but who's going to speak to them? So many they are only to be interviewed. We've got people today that they hate to be Zimbabwe because of that situation. Because I want to just talk about Ulogna in Marotis in front. The Marotis in front was not a walkover.
Yeah.
Those guys were so terrible. But the fact that the Gorilla those are not him. They knew what is wrong. They didn't want to involve them with their situation. Then is panic about we can't behave without the job. Let's follow them and kill them. That was the whole aim of yes. That was the whole aim. Yes. We instill the fear. We even
Okay, mhlambe izinto eziso yizo izinto ezibalekelwayo ukuthi mhlambe kungathiwa udaba olunje alukhulunywe ku-public ngaphansi kwesihlahla kwanyanga zonke endunensi khona sisonke nathi ebesingena information esasesifidwe ukuthi no omose babebaleke sotheni behamba bebulala abantu bengama-disdate kwesatshwa ukuthi iqiniso lizona bese sibalazi nathi so kungcono likhulume emakhosini ukuthi hayi yini wenze ukuthi nokuthi sisale futhi thina esasingekho because mina ngeke bangibize ngiyolalela because I was not there. So it means at the end of the day ngizoqhubeka kulokho ngingenabo ulwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani nina elikhona imlodo elizobizwa liyokhuluma futhi emakhoneni singekho
kuphinde ukuthi singaletheni
lingasitsheli wangitshela soboshi.
So on a fair country, I think on a fair country, the Truth and Reconciliation Commission ifuneka ukuthi kuhlalwe phansi kukhulunywe kube nama-mediators. Maybe let's get ama-international mediators. Singathola abantu, especially we've got a problem with Saddam. We've got that's a major problem because if you call those people Saddam, they will come and stand with Ilona. So I think the problem is now we need our international mediators, people that can come, but more rest on a fair scale.
Abantu abangeke decide because abakwazi who was wrong, was right.
Yes.
They just
narrated the whole story. Abantu bekhuluma zonke abazikhuluma bengayethukanga bengesabi lutho. Ukuze sithole nabantu laba ukuthi ngama-state witness, kuqhamuke umuntu from the perpetrators that have done this and this and this and this. Loyo muntu angabi i-victim after that. Because I'm a state witness, I want the people to know science. But on a country like that one, how can we ever state witness? Now let's say we're sitting here, we are a panel here, let's say you come with that valid information, like you brought a drink here. Do I know who to drink? If I'm given that drink after releasing in dangerous information, I'm going to drink. Because at the end of the day, there's something that's wrong with it.
I would the reason why she says that information is about kukhona esifuna ukuveza.
Nemali ezotholakala, I bet you $2 every month. Those things was taken at $2.
Tell her $4.
Yeah.
Maybe you're taking $2.
Yeah, so maybe you're taking $2. So here I'm trying to say then there's nothing to do with our victims, but it has everything to do with the perpetrator.
Njengoba izinduna zizinduna zabantu abantu bona banithini ezindlini uthini wena kunduna uthishi uthi kaye kwenziwe ngoba izinduna yizo eziphethe abantu okumele zisho ukuthi hayi thina mina njengothishi hayi abantu bami bathi bona abafuni yakhulumele emakhosini lento le bafuna ukuthi sikhulume ngaphansi lapha esihlahleni empandeni.
Asiqale la izinduna, if you go back, izinduna abantu bengasho ukuthi izinduna zakuqala nazo lezi different. Do you know what was the reason? USmith in the process yokucindezela abantu abamnyama akabulalanga ngisho. Wawukhona usho umthetho uSmith everything ulabishini. But not today. Izinduna zamanje, they handle. They can do anything. They handle. So Smith during this kind of time, yeah, calling Smith because Smith knew what was politics. I always tell people more criminal politics don't involve Zimbabwe. No, it is Zimbabwe in Zimbabwe is not politics. That is not politics because I'm able to feel even here in South Africa. Even in my own even my own. Most of the Alabama was going to control. It is a reject that. Umuntu was who delela airs with the Jogan emsebenzini noma ngizohla noma ze. But now izinduna lezana isosiyazi ukuthi ibhodo liyenza izana. So do we expect them ukuthi isukume phela induna ithi khona no abantu bamabayi laba masithathele ayishuzu ehambe ngenyawo njengawo. So if you want to defeat people, uqala abantu bengathembela kuwe suba defeat indlela. It's not that Zimbabwe is poor. Zimbabwe is not poor. Zimbabwe is like it is because kumele benjani ukuze abanye abantu bephumelele. Njengamanje njengoba libizwa kuthiwa wozani lizokhuluma ukuthi kwahamba kanjani. Yes.
Ahlahle kumele siyokhulumisa abulawa njani. Akumela kube ukuze someone azositshela ukuthi ngalibulala so. Yinto mase explain how
kunezinto ezikhona ezifundiswe abaza emva kwethu. Labo bantu they too strong. Abanye bakhuluma English vela ngeke uphikisane nabo. Omunye mawuqala ukukhuluma yathi no but Google ukuthi kwenzakalani ngeground. How do I Google ukuthi ngachaya kanjani? Ufuna ukuphikisa mina ngibhide wena uzama uchaya ukuthi ngiyogugla.
No, mina ngabona ku-Google ukuthi abantu babengachaya.
Come on. So into ngisho ngithi thina the only way abangasicompensate ngayo abasinikeze ini development. Yes, kuphela ukuze abantu abarabana bethole something to talk about. Something into abazoyibiza njengokuthi ngamandla abantu abethu abafayo nabo.
Enye into almost le I think i-tricky kakhulu. Most yabantu abashaywa ngebackground kwakungabantu abekade bekuziphi abebengamasosha nabakade bekuma structures wezipha ibabaningi bakhona abanandela beshaywa bebulawa Then now abantu esayidini lemathebeleleni abaphusha this ideology yezanu, abantu abashaya abantu bebajoyinisa izanu ngenkani, yibo bona labo esezwa thina. Mina into emnandi ngami ukuthi ngangingekho akazalwa ngezwe. Mina ngiyatshelwa manje ukuthi hayi bona amazipra lawa yiwo alwela ilizwe, so yiwo futhi ayehlukunyezwa ngesikhathi se-ground, ngechaywa, entshontshwa, ebulawa. Then bangivusa amehlo, the same muntu ochaya abantu besidimana uqondo is the same person wena lo lithi wayechaywa yena nge-ground whatsoever. Then awubhalanse ngakho mnumzane.
Asiqale la. Kunabantu abasayina idimu. Kuthiwa yini idimu?
Demobilization.
Yes,
something like that.
Basayina baphuma bahamba bayohlala ekhaya bathi sikhathele thina ngembi yangithi. Then amagubhurani abalandela azobashaya abaningi ababulala. Ask yourself ngoba abanikeza amagubhurani amagama. Ask me Adam ya. Amagubhurani efika thina esibuza ukuthi ubani ebabuza nani ngamagama. Then ask yourself ukuthi laba ababejoyina i-National Army bephuma ngapha emathebeleni bejoyina i-National Army, which criteria was used ukuthi bona bejoyina? Ayisiba bangena bakhuluma kini bangaka abathethile
manje ngoba abanye sibabona futhi nabo sebeseqa ezinkambeni bebaleka futhi still.
Buka kambo ngilande bonaba ozokuthi ayobani uretire impela wayeyisotsho retire sekhaya. Ya, ukumlalela ukuthi ungakhuluma yini njengoba ukhuluma nami kanje.
Naye ilokho phela ngisho ukuthi thina abantu elisibonisa bona ukuthi nanga abantu abalikhululayo ababethintini abagcina sebelandelelwa belinyazwa ngeground bebulawela khona lokho ukuthi bebekuzini. Abisempili bese babona bemile lapha emathebeleni besithi thina lenkani kumele siyekuzama mazingekho kuzana sebesichapha uyakagugula undini asageni uyabona siye kuzana.
Ya kufike mina ngangizela ake sithi mina ngangizela ngithi mangifika lena lengibona ukuthi hayi lo muntu udla kahle wena awusempini awutholi lutho. Mawuqala uzakhe madoda kwazama ngomuntu thola ikhadi lezana. Ngifuna ukutshela one nice thing into engiyibonile mina. If I was one of those people phela this one is great ngaba ngiyipho
no wathatha ikhadi lezana.
Yes, mina there was time lapho ngingalamba mina 2021 I was in Rome ngangilamba blind. So ayidamanya amajita wezana esahleli nawo angamashoni we my friends sizixoxela mina manje ukuthi inkomo siyahamba siyabhalisa ngibhalisa bathi imali zethu zabo COVID-19 ziyaphuma madoda imali ziyaphuma zahamba sawubhalisa
nami ngeflu
ngathatha isithupha shona khona. Mina ngahamba for almost 3 months ngatholi omunye wayengumngane wami inkomo
change njani uthi mombe short
ukuthi at least abantu abangale bebona umuntu, because as I come to them I don't deserve to get the money. Imali deserve umuntu either ikhadi lezana noma ongumshona. You understand? I was told point blank change your sending, otherwise indlela zokulimaza. Ngangisengidla kubona ngabe ukuthi mhlawumbe khona okunye abakutholile belokuza atala
utshela imvutho njengoLazarus.
So I realized one thing ukuthi that's how abantu bakithi be-end up benjani bejoyinile zazi because of isisu.
Ngiyabona ngathi kukhona ukuqumba.
In the interest of time njengoba sesiyiwinda up, I will say this is my parting shot, but inento ezithile okokuqala ngizaqalela ekuthini embuzweni okubuzileyo ukuthi kuthiwa kwakulandelwa abantu ababekusiphi. If you look at WikiLeaks, uSifas Msiba uthi izanu in a meeting, uMnangagwa, who is the president now, said the people of Matabeleland, not ex-Cyprus, the people of Matabeleland need re-socialization. Always two, a resolution was taken in a ZANU-PF meeting. Yati yona, there should be a massacre of the Ndebelers, not of ex-Cyprus people or Zapu people, but of the Ndebelers. Then in 1980, izipra ayizange yayingela masotsha afika 20,000, but we're talking about people, at least 20,000 people abafayo, according to i-report ye-CCJP, and i-20,000 leyi are people okuthiwa kufe ugwaza la, kwafa umxolisi la, kwafa unkomose, ngabantu abatholakele ukuthi laba bafa. Asikhulumi ngabanyamalalayo, sikhuluma ngabantu okuthiwa laba bafa. This is a fact ukuthi laba bafa. It's 20,000. Izipra yayingelama socha afika lapho ngo-1980. So, and then I think we need to move iGugurawundi away from politics. Izanu is politicizing iGugurawundi. Let's move it away. We're talking here about a genocide. A genocide is a crime against humanity. It's an international crime actually against humanity. So asikhipheni kuZipra, sikhipheni la kuZapho, because fine, but beqala befuna ukuthi destroy iZapho. But when the first person was killed, it became murder. When 10 people were killed, it became mass murder. But now so 20,000, it becomes a genocide. That is what it is. And they were targeted because they were Ndebele. That's why there must be a massacre of the Ndebeles. Then bese siya endabeni yezinduna. Izinduna ezikhona manje. You're talking about abafana baka 2000, you're talking about abafana baka 1976, you're talking about abafana baka 1980.
Sasingeke.
Abathi at some point kwathiwa wonke umuntu ochayisa isikolo ophuma esikolo kumele aye ku-border gas training. You're talking about someone who has already been indoctrinated into ZANU-PF fodder, someone who's already pushing into ye-ZANU-PF. So you cannot expect abanye babe ngamasotsha, abanye babe ngamapolisa, abanye babe ngama-CIO bafakwe laphayana, abanye bafuthi bangene ngombango ukuthi ngakibo bekuliwa, then uhulumende, i-Ministry of Local Government yachecka athi lo ngomunye wethu ngcono sifake yena. So at the end of the day, we are having a compromised institution yama-chiefs. You cannot expect any worse. Then laba abalutshwana ababengazange babakhona ku-indoctrination camp, ngabantu abazilambeleyo like uNkomosi saying, abakwazi ukuthi nyathela siyakwazi kwenzakalani ngoKhayisa when he tried to stand up. Izinduna zemathebeleni nezamjikela because zonke zi-indoctrinatiwe or zitsheliwe kwathiwa sikhipheni umuntu lo. So you cannot expect any better. And then bese sithi instead of us, because a hearing kwabe kufana ukuthi uthethe ucala umuntu omiswa emthethwandaba ngolecala. So if this hearing was to be genuine, kufanele ukuthi angithi laba bantu balawa ama-reports ukuthi on the victim side kwenzakala lokho. We should be having them besitshela ukuthi mina ngayenza lokho endaweni ethile, usibani imali engamboniyo endaweni ethile, yimi engakwenza lokho samngcwaba endaweni ethile. Ngoba this is the person being tried. Sesisestage sokuthi elethi side yazakala, there are reports already. Labo abakwenza should be coming to us. Bezokhulu ukuthi benzani, becela i-forgiveness. Sikhethe thina ukuthi siyakupha yini leyo forgiveness. Njengokuthi TRC lapha eSouth Africa. Some have to be pardoned, some have to be tried wait. But now we are having these same victims kuthiwa manini lina libe nelikhulumayo phambi kwabantu abafike bonke. It's a court of fowls. Kule nkukhu lapha zimile zithi ihuka lizokhuluma phambi kwazo ukuthi kwenzakalani ngesikhathi abafowabo bedliwa. So at the end of the day we wonder. Then bese sithi finally ngizofaka umbuzo uNkomosi ukuthi we've got several political parties eZimbabwe. The main one being yakali MDC, yaba MDC Alliance, yaba i-TCC, swasizojinja ibe yi-blue manje. These guys kwahlala esikhathi kusenziwa ama-commissions ahlukeneyo, and they agreed with ZANU-PF ukuthi nxa kukhulunywa ngama-atrocities siqalela ku-2000. But we hear the same people nxa sebezocampaign emathebeleni besithi thina singangena iGugurawundi sizoyithi. Do you believe in them being genuine? They've been in parliament since 2000. Asikaze sizwe indaba yeGugurawundi kuthiwa iyakhulunywa eparliament kumbe kuproposwa some bill ukuthi njengoba emathebeleni kwabulawa abantu abangaka 20,000 people abafa ngama-1980s ngabe bebephila manje. We're talking about a population of maybe 1 million. Exponential growth. Maybe they propose ukuthi emathebeleni nje abantu babulawe abantu, why don't you give them an extra 20 seats regardless of how many they are, ukwenzela ukuthi labo babe le proper representation labo, because they are still at disadvantaged in sababulalela abantu. We have never heard them say that. Do you believe in their genuineness?
Ngiyabonga umbuzo muhle kakhulu. kodwa ngizophendula straight. You must understand ukuthi eZimbabwe kunento okuthiwa i-Shona supremacy. Do you think uChamisa can stand up today and blame whatever happened during Igubulawayo? The reason why I blame is because uChamisa the very day, for example, abantu bakade bakaChamisa kweMDC bebebiza uMakhuphe ngalo i-district one. The next thing, in terms of
so which means somewhere somehow into lana kubo kayikageziseki ukuthi as long ukhuluma nje isintu sanlesi kulokhu distant nyalo yini
angeke ize iphele into because each distant was kubo
ukukhuluma isintu.
yes noma ngidilindele ibe distant. The next thing, uyabona uChamisa ngabuChamisa akabanjwa iShona supremacy. uChamisa ngabuya kuSamani. But uChamisa into emlimaza under ukuthi mangingabe uSamani, what am I gonna do neShona supremacy? Because angeke nginganisindebele nani neShona. The problem ebona eZimbabwe ukuthi amaShona don't want to be equal to the Ndebele. Okay, we can fight them, we can do what we want to do, they don't care. But equality, silingane nabo, into abangayifuni one thing. Now uChamisa uyazi kahle the majority of Shona people, into abangayifuni ukulingana nabo neNdebele. So, ukuthi uChamisa sukume namhlanje ablame Igubulawayo, you will be a sellout kwabanye abantu bakubo. Because ungananzeleli maphuma ngoGubulawayo, amashona afike ehlala lapho ngoGubulawayo, bonke baba united. Because you know they are all guilty. Because they all guilty. If you go back again, you will find what you do. The very same Amalekites of our Chamisa. Very, at some stage, they say before we are going to say, they were blaming. They were saying Igubulawayo was a solution. You understand? Even if you speak to some of Bonavan on Facebook, how tell you no, Mugabe was right to release Igubulawayo. So which tells you anything, they're not worried about that. They're not. Because if ever they are worried about it, why do we have our MPs, our triple C, our Mashona Bulawayo? But the thing about Ndebele MP is a Mashona. So that one tells you, it's not going to change anything. The only person who can stand up, Bakuru and Igubulawayo is the MRP. And I think but the next time, do you expect me today? Google situation a situation, current situation as divided as we are. But if ever, I always say I'm still waiting for one of them. Guys, let's start with now.
But the problem here about Masuk my elections, we start hearing them say the Kuluma.
Yes, I need to win the show. We asked them to my was what they don't believe. I was saying, you have been saying Barani to Melaka. Massey, we are supposed to take Barani to so now, once I share there's nothing in the nothing. They just, do not worries me. Never want to sit, just your witness in minority. But most of them votes, why? Penabona vote as the majority. They can vote and liberate the country. But why do they need us? And indirectly, they prove that land where minority, the majority. It's a false something because that is the minority as well.
Yes, but which one?
Who said this one? Tina Suzanne. And just like he stated something, you know, about 20,000. Our class years. Uchunda is still the minority. So that part of Igubulawayo minimized us. We understand that wasn't separated. So there is no way we can expect the people from the eastern part of Zimbabwe and the west part of Zimbabwe.
Cabanga ukuthi umphakathi emakhaya balalele bayakuzwa konke lokho and sebezwile ukuthi kudingeka kukhona mhlawumbe umqomoso enikwenzayo ukuthi mhlawumbe nigqugquzele umphakathi okanye nithi angazi ukuthi ngathola igama endlela okanye ukuthi lifake umphakathi intubuntu ukuthi bayi-understand ukuthi into le asebeyinikezwa eplatini ayisiyo kahle ayisoze isolve ngendlela because sizoyibona iqhubeke isenziwe izoqhubeka yenziwe then at the end of the day ivalwe ukuthi isiphelile isisane siloko siyikhuluma ukusho kuzobe kungasizanga lo so sithini kumphakathi abantwini abahlala emakhaya sithi abayalo osithi kabangene kodwa bekhulume ngenye indlela sithini ngifuna nje ubanikeze umhlahlandlela kuba manje sesivala
ngithi abantu abasemakhaya abahlale phansi bethi no to izama agenda. You understand? Because umuntu manje uzokucompensate ngemali usuke kudelele kakhulu. Umuntu nje ulanda uzokucompensate ngemali usuke kudelele kakhulu. Like ngishilo ngathi bakithi everyone is a victim. Into kumele yenzakala izama if they can't do anything abazihlalile. Okokuqala I don't remember siba ne-group of people siyobacela ukuthi uxolisane. Ngibona abazakithi nge-agenda esingayazi
ukuthi bafuna
siyenze. I still remember ngesikhathi kwaba ne-time lapha abantu kade befuna abantu bayala. I don't think they was going to get a statement that it was a moment of madness. But sugar forget the explanation now. If ever there was no pressure, something. So when there was a pressure, abantu befuna ukuthi bayikhulule, then bona bayibeka ngendlela bayibeka ngakhona. I've seen kwezinye indawo emakhaya abantu from abantu emaphila abasemakhaya they trying to educate people ukuthi lento lelingayivumi ize ngale ndlela efuna ukuza ngayo because i-aim yalo is to dribble. You understand? There is no way ngikwazi ukuthi singahlala namhlanje ukuthi sitshela abadala emakhaya ukuthi hayi gijimani kuyongena lapha namhlanje khona into uzoyithola yini into abazoyithola. Abanye abadala esikhuluma ngabo namhlanje nguwe you know nothing about these things. So manje
Landa abafundi sasingekho vele
ukuthi mawukhuluma nge-40 izalile 40 bani ibuza
40 something.
Yes. So we are going to they know very well ukuthi
abadala bakhona
yes
abakhona
abadala not more than umuntu one 101 years today uzokutshela ngomntu uzokutshela
abadala bavele bethi abantu abamiyekelani lo
i-South Africa ithola izibuzi kwaba
ne-tweet wakule-TRC
ukhona umuntu baba
abantu besakhumbula kahle umuntu engekasitshela ukuthi sekukhohliwe usakhumbula into eliyenze last month yesu soyikhuluma namhlanje bakudelele abantu last week.
Uyakwazi ukuthi nami nokukhunjuzwa ngabanye safunda sokuthi ngakhumbula ukuthi lokho kwabaleka kanjani mina ngamasotsha esitole etankeni okunye kanje. You understand? So imagine ukuthi sivele esikoleni sibancane i-helicopter idlule la idubula phezulu kwentaba. This is what we saw. Ama-helicopter bajika ngezintaba ubone nokuthi nje I don't know uthole begijimisa umuntu wasayina waqeda.
So bafuna izinto ezinjalo uhambe ukukhuluma ecruising Nkomo ukuthi hayi thina sake sibone i-helicopter idlule idubula bekubuze bethi ubani owayedrayive i-helicopter yakho ungathiwa ukwazi ukuthi into yakho ngamanga
exactly.
That's what ukuthi into abayenzela ukuthi bafake abantu ekhona bakithi besinobaba uNkomose la nizwile ngicabanga ukuthi lizoyilandela inkulumo yakhe nilethe imibuzo sizobuye simbize mhlawumbe sesilandela ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngoba engathi ekhulumile kanje ukhulumeni aqhubeke ekwenza ukhulumeni akumise ngenxa yokuthi abantu sebekhulume ngenye indlela nabantu nizokhomenta sibuye simdingide lo ndaba kubuye siyolanda nabanye abantu abathile futhi besho okhona yazi ukuthi bakhona abanye abathi bona into le kayiqhubeke injalo ikhulunywe ngayo leyo ndlela abanawo ama-point mhlawumbe abasupportayo ukuthi bona bafuna into le ibanjwe private. Siyakucela ukuthi nawe mawumkhokheli noma ungubani nawe khona ucabanga ukuthi wena izanu ikwenze kahle ubuye uzosichazela ukuthi kungani wena ucabanga ukuthi leyo nto iyenzeke kahle kodwa-ke mina ngedwa noNkomose lapha nobaba uNcube ngapha sikubekile okwethu and siniphile ne-platform yokuthi nibuye nizokhuluma ngakho. Sibuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi into le isibuye yavuswa futhi abantu sebesizwa ubuhlungu ngathi abalaleli. Siyacela ukuthi nohulumeni alalele abantu, azwe ukuthi abantu bona bafisa ukuthi kwakhulume njani. Uchazile umnumzana uNkomosi ukuthi akukho lula ukuthi abantu bekushaye uchaywe bese kuthiwa hayi ndoda wozokuma lapha phambi kwethu usitshele ukuthi bakushaye njani. Umuntu wakhona okushayileyo ekhona lapha kulokuthi asukume ethi hayi mina ngamgamu yimi ngoba libonele nxeba ekhanda yimi engamgamula, so ngoba mina angikwazi ukuthi wamgamula njani ngezihloka sekukhala awuliboni lisuka in all these things. So ushilo noNcube lapha ukuthi ama-report akhona, ikhona i-report yamaRoma, ikhona i-report kaBabalwana kuthiwa Dumbuthena kuthiwa iyabona emakhabethini khona ngale awakhishwe abantu nifunde kuwo abe public, abantu babekwazi ukuthi hayi eCholotsho kwenzeka ukuthi eSalitseni eBhalakwe kwenzeka ukuthi abadala bethu sebashona, abazali bashona bengazi lutho ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ezinye izinto bayakwazi ukuthi ubufakazi Nkomosi anisenabo okuningi. Mina ngikhumbula ukuthi ekhaya ubaba omncane wayeyisosha owafa ngaso leso sikhathi somguqazo. Ugogo wethu bayisixoxela ethi kwafika isikhathi ukuthi izithombe zakhe zonke ezazikhona ekhaya bazithatha bayazilahla, impahla zakhe ezazikhona ekhaya ukuthi ngabe yibo ufakazi esibusho ukuthi hayi ubaba omncane wayekhona nakho phela nakho ugqokile nama-combat wayeyisosha. Zazithathwa ziyolahla ukuthi ukwenzela ukuthi bengafika abantu laba besearcha ekhaya bengatholi anything that can link ifamily yethu nezipho. So ubufakazi lizobufuna kithi ibuphi ngoba we destroyed it ngenxa yokuthi lalingafuni ukuthi kutholakale bukhona ekhaya, kwangamelanga kutholakale anything ezolilinka. So siyacela ukuthi anyone okhona la hleli khona othi wena you have got a story to tell ngayo lento leyo usondele duze Ncube.
Enza ukuthi khona ukuthi whoever believes ukuthi whether we victim, we survivor, ulombono ongawutsho political party leader, you are a civil society leader, a citizen or a member of the public, ufuna uzokhuluma something oyibona ukuthi ngaphathisa kulolu daba, sicela usithinte ngeWhatsApp ku-073 962 3075. Ungafoni, ungathumeli voice note, bhala uthumele, sizakunxusa sizokhuluma lawo.
Siyabonga kakhulu bakithi, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe niphinde nishare le video ikwazi ukuthi ifinyelele umhlaba wonke. Baba Nkomosi evalelisa abantu babone ungathi usuka lapha unyamalala mina ngicatshisa abantu.
Okay, abantu bona lokho abakuzwile abakunokunye abakwaziyo nani bengaza phambili nabini. Abantu indaba lezazikhuluma, abantu bangazithuki, abantu bayahamba basho. So abantu abaza phambili nomafishane ukunizolento ukukhuluma, abantu abasemakhaya bakhulume babekwazi what to do, because manje abantu basemakhaya ba-ambushiwe abazange bephiwe isikhathi ukuthi mhlawumbe after 3 years zokuya sicela ligather all the information. Ngiyokulanda abantu esivuka mpunzana olofisale abaplananga lutho. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Hayi siyanithanda emakhaya.